Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your profile avatar on Call of Duty Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To switch your current avatar, start by tapping your profile name at the top left of the screen. In your profile setting, tap the second tab which looks like a checklist icon. Tap your current profile image. Here you can choose from a list of default avatars that you can change to. Once you have selected one, tap Show to change it. You can also change your calling card and avatar frame here. It's possible to have a custom image as your avatar too by connecting your Facebook account. It will then use your Facebook profile picture as your avatar. Tap the Settings button from the top right. Now tap the plus icon at the top of the screen above Language. Tap Facebook. You'll now be prompted to log in to your Facebook account. Once you have connected your Facebook account, your profile in-game will update to your current Facebook one. It may take a couple of days to update though. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more CODM tips and tricks.